this subject of special needs and family law cases is the financial aspect, and that is child support. So the thing that parents need to be aware of is that child support for special needs children is something that can continue on into adulthood, and that is something that can be determined in order to be indefinite for future payments. And that is also that goes into a weighing of factors that, you know, once a special needs child reaches the age of majority or 18 or is otherwise emancipated, they can make an application for Social Security disability benefits, and those, you know, child support payments go into consideration for the needs of that child. So in other words, there's a cap on what the Social Security benefit is, and if the child support payments outweigh that or what have you, it can impact in an opposite direction. In other words, if there's more resources for child support, then less will fall on the taxpayer, and the Social Security benefit will be lower. And in the alternative, you know, it's vice versa. If there's less available for child support obligations and payments, and more need, etc., then that Social Security benefit could be greater. But these are things to think about that support obligations to the primary parent, assuming the primary parent stays the primary parent. They can continue through adulthood, and that's something that the parents need to work together on to make it not a contentious issue, because at the end of the day, the support payments are for the care, comfort, and support of that child and that adult disabled child. You know, they're always going to be your child. They're always going to be your little one, and they may need care through adulthood. So things to think about. Anyway, I hope this has been a helpful video series, and, you know, again, we are sending a heartfelt thought of positivity and prayers to lift up our friends, neighbors, and colleagues in our community, in our country, and around the world who have been adversely impacted by the coronavirus. We are thinking about all of you and hoping that you will have a swift return to economic employment. And, you know, we are so blessed to be able to shelter in place, most of us, and shelter in place and work remotely and have that opportunity. And for those of our friends, colleagues, and neighbors who are going through adversity, we are thinking about you. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and share. Reply with any questions or comments on any video platform you may watch this series on. I'm happy to make those questions or comments the subject of a subsequent video series, or a direct message back, or both. Anyway, thank you all again for watching. Godspeed. See you on the road, I hope.